2025 Pontiac Bonneville SSEi reimagines an iconic nameplate for a new era, blending the performance heritage of Pontiac with modern technology and luxury. As a flagship sedan, the Bonneville SSEi strikes a balance between sophistication and athleticism, catering to drivers who value both comfort and exhilarating performance. This reinvention of the Bonneville carries forward the spirit of its predecessors, while embracing the advanced engineering and cutting-edge design expected of a modern performance car. At the heart of the 2025 Bonneville SSEi lies a 3.6-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that delivers an impressive 400 horsepower and 415 fan-feet of torque. The engine is paired with a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless power delivery and excellent efficiency. For those seeking an even more engaging experience, paddle shifters mounted on the steering wheel allow for manual gear changes, giving the driver precise control over the car's performance. The front-wheel drive layout, a hallmark of the original SSEi, has been updated with an advanced limited-slip differential and torque vectoring technology to enhance grip and cornering prowess. The 2025 Bonneville SSEi has been designed to make a statement on the road. Its bold exterior styling features sharp lines, a wide stance, and a sculpted hood that hints at the power within. The front fascia is dominated by a sleek, blacked-out grille with illuminated accents, flanked by slim LED headlights that give the car an aggressive yet refined look. Functional air intakes and a sculpted bumper contribute to the aerodynamic efficiency, while 20-inch alloy wheels and a subtle rear spoiler add to the sporty aesthetic. Buyers can choose from a range of striking paint colors, including classic Pontiac hues like Firebird Red and Midnight Blue Pearl. Inside, the Bonneville SSEi combines luxury with a driver-centric design. Premium materials such as perforated leather, brushed aluminum, and soft-touch surfaces create an upscale ambience. The seats are meticulously crafted to provide exceptional support and comfort, featuring multi-way adjustability, heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Ambient lighting with customizable colors sets the mood, while the dual-pane panoramic sunroof enhances the sense of openness in the cabin. The dashboard is dominated by a large curved display that integrates a digital instrument cluster and an infotainment touchscreen, seamlessly blending style and functionality. The 2025 Bonneville SSEi is equipped with Pontiac's latest infotainment system, offering an intuitive interface and advanced connectivity features. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a built-in navigation system, and over-the-ear software updates ensure that drivers stay connected and informed. The centerpiece of the infotainment system is a 14-speaker Bose audio system that delivers immersive sound quality, perfect for enjoying music or podcasts on long drives. Additionally, multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a 5G Wi-Fi hotspot provide convenience for all passengers. Performance has always been at the core of the Bonneville SSEi, and the 2025 model is no exception. The car's adaptive suspension system adjusts in real time to road conditions, offering a smooth ride during highway cruising and firming up for spirited driving. The steering system is precise and responsive, providing excellent feedback to the driver, while the upgraded brakes ensure confident stopping power. Multiple drive modes, including comfort, sport, and performance, allow the driver to tailor the car's dynamics to their preferences. In performance mode, the exhaust note becomes more aggressive, emphasizing the Bonneville's sporty character. Safety and driver assistance technologies are integral to the 2025 Bonneville SSEi, reflecting the latest advancements in automotive engineering. The car comes standard with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A surround view camera system and parking assist make maneuvering in tight spaces effortless, while a head-up display provides critical information directly in the driver's line of sight. For added peace of mind, the Bonneville SSEi is equipped with a robust suite of airbags and a reinforced safety cell. Despite its focus on performance, the Bonneville SSEi is also a practical sedan, offering a spacious interior and generous cargo capacity. The rear seats provide ample legroom and headroom for passengers, making the car suitable for both daily commutes and long road trips. The trunk features a wide opening and a flat load floor, ensuring that luggage and other items can be easily accommodated. For added versatility, the rear seats fold down to expand the cargo area, allowing the car to handle larger loads when needed. Pontiac has also prioritized sustainability with the 2025 Bonneville SSEi, incorporating eco-friendly materials and technologies wherever possible. The car's lightweight construction includes the use of recycled and renewable materials, reducing its environmental footprint without compromising performance. The twin-turbo V6 engine is engineered for efficiency, delivering an impressive combined fuel economy rating of 27 mpg. Additionally, the car's start-stop system and regenerative braking help conserve energy during urban driving. For enthusiasts who crave even more excitement, Pontiac offers an optional SSEi performance package. This package includes upgraded brakes, a sport-tuned suspension, and a more aggressive exhaust system, as well as unique styling elements, such as carbon fiber accents and exclusive badging. With this package, the Bonneville SSEi becomes an even more formidable performer, capable of thrilling on the track while retaining its everyday usability. The 2025 Pontiac Bonneville SSEi represents a bold step forward for the brand, blending its rich heritage with the latest innovations in automotive technology. It is a car that honors its roots while looking to the future, offering a driving experience that is as engaging as it is refined. Whether carving through winding roads or cruising on the highway, the Bonneville SSEi delivers a level of performance, comfort, and style that sets it apart in the competitive mid-size sedan segment. For drivers seeking a car that combines tradition with modernity, the 2025 Pontiac Bonneville SSEi stands as a compelling choice, ready to define the next chapter in Pontiac's storied legacy.